Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the cryptocurrency market. Actually, well, since the Monday, it's really almost no changes in the picture that we discussed on the Bitcoin market. So in the recent 3 weeks, market stands in a really tight range. On the fundamental background, also barely something has changed. So we actually have big doubts and concern about extended bullish performance on Bitcoin, just because fundamentally the market doesn't look healthy. There's big uncertainty concerning the central bank policy, rates remains high, and regulation becomes tougher and tougher. So it is long-term project, among the regulation authorities, just to suffocate the cryptocurrency and suck all the liquidity out to support the bond market. This is our view. That's why we are very skeptic in opinion and an idea that right now is actually crypto spring is coming, and we will see the performance that was seen in 2021. I think this is some short-term pullback, and well, we could accept maybe action to the 30-35 area, but currently we do not see any real background for standing on something of this sort. So we treat this as just retracement as a result of some occasional combination of a few factors, such as the bank increases, additional liquidity provided by the Fed and currently in the system. So all this stuff brings some short-term upside performance, and we still think that it would be better to not overestimate or value the importance of this action. So that's what we have from the higher time frames. On lower time frames, we still keep our bullish view, so market stands in the same consolidation and major OP is not been reached. At the same time, we have the bearish trend on the MACD, and that creates, actually this combination creates a kind of the bullish dynamic pressure, which suggests in turn possible spike up, completion of the OP and taking out of the previous top. We're not talking about a stable upside breakout and upside continuation, but at least some wash and rinse of these tops, new spike to the completion of the OP has big chances to happen. So if you're a short-term trader, trade on intraday charts, you could follow the same tactic as we have discussed on Monday. So search for some patterns inside the consolidation, take the long position, bullish patterns, wait when the market will complete it and close. So that's approximately the way how we could act in the current circumstances. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market mostly stands in the same range, and upward breakout to the OP in general agrees with the width or height of this consolidation, and using classical technical analysis it approximately equals to the possible upward action rate to the OP. In the hourly chart you could see how our previous setup is worked. So we talked about the equal ABCD retracement, said consider taking the long position right there. So once this Gartner's triple 2 will be completed. It was completed rather accurately with the spike down, and market returned it back up to the previous price area. You could follow approximately the same stuff. So since we have the chop action inside of the consolidation, if you have position, you currently could move stop to the break even and see what will happen next. If you do not have, just watch for the next one when it will be formed. Currently the action probably remains choppy. It's just because we come into the Easter holidays. It will be a relatively thin market, so we could get lots of different patterns inside this range once again. So for instance, here is also was some kind of the ABCD performance. So every time when the market is coming to the lower body of this consolidation, it will be a chance to take the long position. Target, as I said, is around 29.30, 29.50. There's daily OP, but this is, guys, as you understand, mostly for the short-term trading. So what will happen next, we will see. But currently we still think that we should keep these tactics with just watching for minor patterns and taking the position with the nearest standing target. That's all that we could do currently on the cryptocurrency.